Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We're going to go to a lakefront restaurant, have a little lunch. This is 1516 Pub and Grill, and it's situated right on Lake Okanagan. You can even drive your boat right up to the patio. First up, we're going to make a little shooter. This is called a Sunlight Sundrop. So it's just a shot of Tuaca, which is Italian brandy. And then we're going to go a dash of triple sec. I'm just going to substitute Cointreau today, which is also a orange liqueur. And then a dash of sweet and sour mix. I just have some lime juice today. And that's a Sunlight Sundrop. Coming up next, we're going to 1516 Pub and Grill. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.
up.